Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Tlauncher updated and Java compatible, and you have a backup of your world folder. Open Tlauncher and go to Settings. Enable the Snapshot switch so versions appear. Once done, return to the launcher main screen and click the version selector beside the play button to reveal available snapshots. Make sure to choose a snapshot matching your mods or opt for a clean profile if you want a pure snapshot experience. Now you select the snapshot and configure a dedicated profile so you don't disturb your stable installs. Click New Profile, name it clearly, pick the chosen snapshot in version, and assign RAM 1 to 2 GB for vanilla snapshots, more for mods. Once configured, save the profile. You're doing this to avoid conflicts and to preserve performance. Isolated profiles make rollback simple. Then check any required mod loader compatibility and adjust JVM arguments if you need advanced tweaks. Finally, launch the snapshot profile and watch the console for errors. This tells you if resources or mods are incompatible. Test by creating a new world, checking terrain, mobs, and expected features. If something breaks, stop and revert to your backup or switch back to a stable profile. A common fix is removing incompatible mods or updating them. If crashes persist, lower allocated RAM slightly and retry. Often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.